The seatbelt sign is on. Please be seated and fasten your seatbelt. Ladies and gentlemen, we got our final descent. Should be touching down here in the next. Prepare for landing. Please close your tray table and put away carry-on items. Place your seat in the original upright position. Seat back device holders must be stowed for landing. We will now collect any items you wish to discard. Please put away larger electronic devices, including laptop computers. Secure smaller handheld devices in your hand or seat pocket. Devices such as cell phones, tablets, and smartwatches must remain in airplane mode until after we land. We will be landing soon.
America muni for California kove velu Fresno vene ako yebuya tita Fresno California Flatland D-Land mumi tỏ ra cho cái California Fresno Day sẽ có sẽ cứ nó ngọt nó bị phải chơi Java jacket có cái xe một Java jacket hay như một jacket thì có lẽ giờ bây giờ thì giờ là bao landing in Fresno, California. Landing in Fresno, California.
Thôi à, chứ ngoài một có xe thì
imagínate.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. And keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to be the very first to welcome you to Fresno, where the local time is 9:25. Books. And when you do get up to collect your belongings in that overhead compartment, please be careful as items may shift.
Nó pa suyo yo. Oh, te pa tamro, vete tamro. Tamro tano ta hate pa.
Application brochure. Would you like to take a look? You can still pick up an application.
Yeah,
As you're getting off the airplane. It's certainly been a pleasure taking care of all of you today. We do hope to see you again soon on another American Airlines flight in the near future. Have a safe and pleasant rest of your day.
Traffic control na tro che na tro na tro. Tipo le yaga pone Fresno, California, America muni kai fo toka ako simu pa simu ya joku ye pukulua via palo ga tote dai no liga ko chiche se o via salia lo i joku kha kho kho tu chote ne ta sa no bye bye
Fresno lo cabe, man.